understand why they don't have one.
Hi guys. Today we are going to be playing with slime. And my sister's really gonna annoy us though. Call me baby. Stop. Stop.
It's
So annoying.
It's not how
Stop, Henry.
Call me too.
Did you say call me what?
Toot.
Stop. Oh my goodness.
Get out of here.
Toot.
That's gonna die, by the way. You gotta treat them
Okay,
fine.
sorry, we guys. We don't know what we're doing. I'm with her. And there. No. What's in the way? Oh, this. I don't know how to do this. I know. Do it. We're just going to go down here. That'll work better. We're gonna put the slimes on the plate. Okay. I'll choose the slime first. I chose my slime.
What's the description?
No, I chose the slime.
Wait, what
No,
is it
I
about?
had dibs on that one. No, you got this one last
You
time.
describe something, you just say what it is.
You can go first.
How about we close the garage door?
No, I like it. Okay, so I am playing with Angel. That is this. This is super pretty. It's got a super nice rose gold. Here, I'll just film you. No, you can't. No. Yeah, I can just film you doing it. And you'll film me. So yeah.
Melanie, there were
This is-
70 views on your videos.
There was like 300 at one or something.
400.
400.
Maybe even more now. I haven't been on my account in so long, guys. Okay, so
Let's just do.
I can't zoom up. We have
Yeah, we can.
fake nails on, and it's so hard to do stuff.
Yeah, like I have some right now too.
Hey, you guys.
Yeah,
I am
like look
so
at this.
into doing something.
Okay, so
There's that slime.
so if you you're gonna hear her in the background. Okay, so now you can watch me. So this slime doesn't have a name. It's just white glue slime with a tint of pink, but you can't really see that.
If I ask you a question, which one you would pick?
Try to poke a fake nails on. This one is super nice. Yeah, I think you should call this one strawberry milk because it has a tint of pink.
Dad is fixing our toy.
Sorry, the mat, like really. And also sorry for the background noise. That's just her sister.
We can in the background with my sister talking to her friend. She's making another video. Make sure to check that out.
Be
And-
sure to check out her sister's channel.
Oh my gosh! And then just like
Yeah, crafts all day. No, yeah.
okay.
That's
So,
the slime.
you guys
And also go check out my channel,
want
Crafty
to-
Kids.
Okay, so
Crafty Kids.
now we have to
There's a
find.
her channel.
I'm going for a small one. The small one. This is called bubble gum.
But all slime here.
Wait, Lily.
Sorry.
This is called bubble gum.
It's
super cute. Actually, I have one called. So there's pink flows in it, and it's pink.
It's really satisfying to play with. Like,
Zoom up on it.
Mix
Give a
it
zoom up.
to one thing for the slime. Since you guys picked
we should do a challenge later.
what one of them is.
Yeah, it is.
Explosion.
Stop, not that. No.
It's way too
There
close,
is-
Melanie.
Bubble gum. This one.
So this is like super.
Feels.
It's not that good, but it's like super
No,
fun
It's nice to like squeeze if it was in a bowl.
and this one's
to
bubble gum.
play
This
with.
one's cereal and this one's bubble
really
gum.
So yeah. Next to the
This one here, this one's gonna be named Mal slime from Descendants because she is purple. So this is Mal slime.
Wait.
And
This one makes so many noises.
I know, I love this one.
Pink
Like,
lava.
just listen.
Yeah, pink lava.
Kennedy, shh.
That's what it's called. So.
But there is some fallout from the beads, but that usually happens.
Okay, I am gonna wait for about.
It's really hard to poke.
This camera. So,
Because our nails just go straight. Okay.
Yeah, like you can't push them.
And I will see you for the next video.
Okay, so
Okay.
That's male slime.
Slime for the
Pretty.
Here.
It's a pretty good slime.
Yeah, like.
Sorry guys for the black. Okay.
for a few seconds.
This is called
Sunshine.
Sunset Shine slime.
Pink volcano.
Sunset Slime.
If you want to see.
Sunset
film
Shine
that?
slime.
I want to see if I.
Alliteration and tongue twister.
This is
No,
a
yeah.
butter.
Sorry.
I'm obsessed with alliteration. I love alliteration.
It's so hard to film.
Yeah, the placement's a little cringy, but it will do.
So right now
It's just kind of distracting.
little share.
Yep, and it says a butter slime.
Okay, I think I'm gonna make a bubble. So
Yeah, so there
Here, spread it, because it's a butter. Super spreadable. So,
yeah.
next slime.
She's looking in the drawer. She found one.
That was really cringy. Oh, I'll bring down 2 more slimes.
Okay.
from up here.
Dibs Cloud.
there we go.
Okay. So this is a Christmas tree. I made her this one.
I had to activate this one. This was insanely sticker. Like you couldn't even touch it.
Yeah, this is from Christmas, so makes sense.
If you look at it super closely, it's like super
Pretty.
It's just super small.
She had to convince me. It wasn't super small, but then it got super small. So it was actually pretty big. I think it just evaporated because that happens. It looks like a mermaid.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah,
That's it.
Christmas tree.
That's one.
Here, just quite small. Cloud slime.
We can't play with all of them since it'll take too long. Swirl. This one is.
I'll play with one after you, and then we can be done. I know which one I want to play with.
Oh my god, this is like
You guys, let's
so
switch
nice.
these slimes. So
And if you look super duper close, you can see some glitters. Blue, silver.
Like this one doesn't make any noises, but it is super. Whoa! Look at what it's doing to my nails.
Okay.
Super duper. And also there's, I'm sorry guys, but like one of my fingernails is off, so it may look kind of weird.
And
Same with me.
Same finger. And and it sucks because when I go like
Alright, so let's get back.
cringe.
This one's 8 gloss.
So yeah. And I'll play with one.
And then we're gonna end it. That? No, just play with that one.
Oh, I want to play this one. That one looks sick. Okay, so this is,
This one has some
yeah, I'll just play with that
Yeah.
the best coat.
That one's like big and just hard to get out of its container.
one. So this one is like sunset.
This is called Peach Blossom.
Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh, it was sticky and it matches glitter.
This one's the best butter out of them.
Okay, that's awesome. Okay. So
It's very satisfying. And
I'll.
I'll,
Then in the next video, we're gonna start with the clay, and then we'll pick 2 different things. And
Sorry, I'm, like,
I'll
playing with
show you
slime
around
off
if you
camera.
have enough time at the end.
this slime is really good. So that's it for Peach Blossom.
Clay.
And I think that's the end of the video.
Then clay.
Sick.
to this bit.
My nails have a ton of slime. Well, they did.
Okay, so we'll see you guys in the next video.
Video.
Bye!